In this video, I'm going to show you how to get related keywords for one specific topic so that your video gets more views by being suggested from those related videos. So for this example, I'm going to use make money on Facebook as a main keyword. So what you want to do is go over to the YouTube search bar, type in make money on Facebook. Now once you have that pulled up, what you want to do is you want to gather the related keywords from the top 5 videos with the most views on that keyword. Now, a way to do this is by using a software called TubeBuddy, and what you can do is you can simply open up each video into a new tab. Then what's going to happen is TubeBuddy will pull up the tags in that video. What you want to do is just simply copy those tags to a clipboard and then just paste them into a notepad. Now that you have gone ahead and gathered those keywords from the top related videos, what you want to do is simply remove the commas, which is very easy. We can just go over to Google and type in comma remover online, go down to dlim.co, paste it into the right here, and boom, you have all of your keywords now in a nice form. Then what you want to do is head over to TubeBuddy and use our keyword explorer, and then what you can do is you can take these keywords and search them into the TubeBuddy software. Now what you're looking for is something with good search volume, and what you want to look for is something preferably below 10 million, depending on how many views your channel can get off the get-go. Now what I want you to keep in consideration is these bigger keywords you still want to keep and put them in your tags if you have space, because the goal isn't to rank for these keywords. The goal is to have similar keywords to the top videos so that when the video that is getting a bunch of views is shown, your video actually shows up on the sidebar. So what I mean by this is not to get your video ranked specifically for that keyword, although that could happen. What you want to happen is your video to show up on this sidebar. Having your video show up on the sidebar is going to give you a massive amount of views. So that is it for the finding related keywords video. If you guys enjoyed this very short and right to the point video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe down below if you guys want more marketing related content and you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Dylan DeFazio with the 6-Figure Marketers Club. If you guys want to see another video, I'll be posting some top videos up above right now. Thank you for tuning in.